Theta Healing is a meditational process that creates physical, psychological, and spiritual healing with a focused prayer through the Creator. When we connect to the Creator of all that is, our brain waves automatically go into a Theta state of mind. And in this mind state, you can create anything and change reality instantly. Students will be given a way to connect to the Creator of all that is. You will learn how to co-create with the Creator and how to project your consciousness. You will also learn how you can activate your DNA, intuitive body scan, and you will be able to do a future reading, contacting your guardian angels, co-creating a healing, and changing belief systems through the power of the Creator. Theta Healing has no religious affiliation. It is not specific to any age, race, color, creed, or religion. So if this course interests you, enroll yourself into the Theta Healing Basic DNA Workshop starting 23rd of April, and I shall see you in the class. Namaste.